In this video, I'll detail how to fill deleted friends on Facebook on iPhone. So if you're using iPhone and you want to see a list of your deleted friends on your iPhone, this video is going to walk you through. So if I don't know this video, you found this video helpful and informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Now, all you need to do to see your recently deleted friends or all deleted friends on your Facebook page is open the Facebook app on your iPhone, just like this. Click on the profile icon at the bottom right. Click on settings. Now this is going to take you to your Facebook settings page. Now you want to scroll down, just keep scrolling. Here, under your activity, click on activity log. Then once you click on that, you want to scroll down until you get to connections, then expand this. Then under connections, you see your friends on Facebook, friend requests, friends you see more and see less. Then go ahead and click on manage friends. Now once you clicked on manage friends, wait for this page to load. Then this is what you're going to see on Facebook. Now click on this filters icon. Once you selected that, select categories. Then in this categories page, locate remove friends. Then hang on. Now here you should see all the friends you remove from Facebook. You can see here are the list of friends I deleted on Facebook or unfriend on my Facebook page. Then if you click on these three dots, then you can permanently delete this friend from this page. So I can easily see all deleted friends on Facebook on iPhone. If this is helpful and informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe.